The functools module is for higher order functions, that is the functions that act on or return other functions. The functool module provides tools for working with functions and other callable objects to adapt or extend them for new purposes without completely rewriting them. Function in Python is said to be of higher order. It means that it can be passed as argument to another function and or can return other function as well. The functools module provides important utilities for such higher order functions. Some are reduce, partial and LRU cache. Out of that, reduce we already seen in previous lectures. So today we will be seeing partial and LRU cache. The partial function receives another function as argument and freezes some portion of the function's arguments, resulting in new object with simplified signature. That is, it takes a existing function, initializes few of the parameters that are passed to that function, and creates another function and returns that. Let's see example for partial. So I'm first importing partial. So from functools import partial. So now let's create a function. So I'm creating a function f of a, b, c, d, and I'm printing a into 1000 plus b into 100 plus c into 10 plus d. So whatever number comes, it will be printed. And here I'm converting that to a partial function. So for that, g equal to partial is a function, and for that I'm providing argument as f, and then few of the arguments of f. So I'm providing 3 arguments here because f is taking 4 arguments. Out of that, 3 I am trying to fix. So I'm giving 1, 1, 1. So that is the value of a, b and c. The value of d is not given. So here I'm trying to call g with a value of d. So here I'm writing 2. So let's see what result I'm getting. So this is partial. For this, there is a function called partial for which I have provided original function f and parameters of that function. So the f has 4 parameters. Out of that, I have fixed 3, and 4th one is remaining. So that I can provide with the new function. Let's check this parameter first. So I'm writing a equal to 2, and it's giving me error f got multiple values for argument a. So first is this and second is this. So let's try it for d. So d equal to 2. Okay, and I get the answer. So if you see these parameters a, b and c, d is remaining, which is given here. I can also create multiple functions of like this. So let's try it for I in range 10. Here I am changing the parameter. So I am changing c value from 1 to I, and I am printing g of 2, d equal to 2. So let's try this function, and if you say this, my c goes on changing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can create multiple function by using partial. Here I am trying to write a simple function using recursion. So let's write it first. F of n. You will understand what type of problem it is. If n less than 2, return n, else return n into f of n minus 1. Let's try to print the output first. So f of 5, I get 120. f of 4 gives me 24. So there is one tool that we can use here. What it does is it creates a cache and it will store the result if the parameter is same. For example, if I am having a function call with f of 3, so it will store the result also, and if there is another function call with f equal to 3, then the same result is given back instead of executing the function again. So I'm using it, import functools, and let's try to use a cache. So functools dot LRU cache. I am giving max size equal to none. That means maximum size. I am trying to run this. Now LRU cache will not change the execution. What it does is it will speed up the execution by storing the results for the same parameter and giving it back instead of executing it again.